In my last video, I demonstrated an Arduino code which you can use to convert numbers in decimal to binary. And in today's video, let's try to understand how it works. We will learn to do it using just a pen and a paper, a pencil and a paper, and we'll move on to coding it in Arduino. If you just need the code, then skip over to the last of the video. Yoo-hoo! Welcome back, friends. Hope you are doing fine. So let's learn how to convert a number in decimal to binary. So first you need to know what base of a number system converts. Let me explain it to you in short. Base of a number system is the total number of symbols used in that system. Didn't understand? Let's take an example. The number system we commonly use is the decimal number system, and it consists of the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That is 10 total symbols. Therefore, this number system is known as a base 10 number system, and it can be written as number to the base 10. And for binary, it consists of just two symbols, that is 1 and 0. It's known as a base 2 number system. Whew, the theory part is almost over. Now let's take a decimal number, say 52. Take your pen and paper, or a pencil and a paper. We will try to convert this to binary. So to convert a decimal number to binary, you have to divide it by 2 and take the quotient and remainder. Store the remainder. You have to divide the quotient again by 2. Repeat this until the quotient reaches 0. Now take the remainders from bottom to top and write it down. This is your binary equivalent of 52. Hope you understood it. Keep trying with some examples so that you can get trained to it. Let's move on to coding. The method I used in the last video was horrible and inefficient. So let's take a look at a simple yet efficient piece of code which uses a recursion to do the job. Instead of looking at the whole Arduino code, let's look at the piece of code which converts decimal to binary. Here it is. It's a function named divide. It takes an argument as num, and if it's greater than 1, the function calls itself the half of the previous argument num. And after that, the function finds the remainder and adds it to the binary string, or appends it to the binary string. That's it. It may look like a bit complicated. Now let's see how you can add this function to your Arduino code. It also can be done on any programming language if you have the logic to change the code accordingly. First, you need a global string variable called the bin. Then before calling the divide function, clear that string. Then call the divide function with number to be converted as an argument. That's it. I have provided a code which accepts decimal numbers and prints it back. It all works through C report. You can find its demo in my last video. Let's upload the program to Arduino and see if it works or not. Let's compile it and upload it. Now open up a session in Party. Type in the number you want to convert and press equals. That's it. And with a great hope that this video helped you, I'm ending this video. If you think this video was helpful, give a kick to that great thumbs up button. Try to share it with your friends and don't forget to tap that little red thingy name. Subscribe. Or we will meet in my next video. Keep on tinkering. Goodbye.